it really begs the question, like,
What do they know?
what do they know that we don't?
That we don't, exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, I mean, maybe before we even get into that, for our listeners who maybe aren't as familiar with, the world of finance,
Right.
maybe just give us a real quick, like, what is an ETF and, like, why is this growth so significant?
Sure. So an ETF stands for an exchange-traded fund. And essentially, it is a basket of assets.
Okay.
So you can think of it almost like a mutual fund that trades on an exchange.
Okay.
So rather than buying individual stocks, you could buy an ETF that, say, tracks the S&P 500, or in this case, tracks the price of Bitcoin. And so the reason this is so significant is because it allows investors to get exposure
Yeah.
to Bitcoin
Right.
without actually having to hold the underlying asset.
Okay.
So they don't have to worry about wallets and keys and all the security that goes into that.
Interesting. So it kind of makes it a little bit more accessible.
Exactly. It lowers the